In programming, how we name things matters. First, let's talk about identifiers. Think of an identifier as a custom name tag. It's a string that can contain upper or lowercase alphabets, numbers, and underscores. But there is one golden rule. An identifier can never start with a number. For example, _9abc or 8b are perfectly valid. But 9a? That's invalid, simply because it starts with a digit. Next up, we have keywords. These are special, reserved tokens that the language has already claimed. Each one has a specific function. Take the keyword if, for example. It evaluates a condition and decides whether to run a block of code or skip it. You can see a list of common keywords on your screen right now. Finally, let's talk about variables. Think of a variable as a container or a box that holds data. The unique thing about variables is that the value inside them can change. So, here's the formula to remember. A variable is an identifier, but it cannot be a keyword.